Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. Been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is acceptance. What is in your world that you need to accept? Accept the things that you cannot change. Possibly you want to do something, to execute something today. It's just not the day in the universe. The energies are not just going for you, moving towards that purpose. But as long as you take one step at a time, maybe tomorrow that thing will work, maybe next week. Never give up, but just because something's not working today, don't give up totally on your project. Make sure you make small steps in the things that you can achieve. I accept every step that life presents to me without resistance. I try to find out what the universe is trying to teach me so that I can grow. You become stronger and wiser, bigger and blessings can come your way. Thus, I advance in my freedom on the path of light. Love one another, be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.